guys, happy Friday. It's finally Friday. And I'm tired. Tired a lot. I got home, like I literally walked in my room like 11 o'clock last night. Jesus, what's up? It was raining, and then to take the train, and then the train went local. No, the train was local, because after a certain time, after 10 out here in New York, the trains just run local. Like they stop at every stop. So I was like, oh god, I can't do this 12-hour shift thing. My body is not accustomed to that, so I can't do it. End up being just started at 8:30 and ended up being 20 minutes late. Then I forgot my shoes. I need more sleep. I can't. This is too much. I did not want to get in my bed. I did not want to get in my bed, and I didn't even have no banana. I am very tired. I am very tired. I didn't have a banana. But right now I need like 3 bananas for my energy. I didn't get no time to drink no tea. Even if I make my smoothies, I always make sure I drink a cup of tea before I leave. I didn't drink a cup of tea this morning. I noticed I was running late. I couldn't even. You gotta pick me up, man. I could have stopped at the thing this morning. Listen, I feel like stopping nowhere. But I get off 5 today, so I cannot wait till 5 o'clock. I just bought this case of Shein, and the thing just came off. I just went in my pocket just now with my headphones, and I'm like, what is this? And then I come up to my phone, I'm like, oh, what's this? So I get off 5 today. I'm happy. I gotta wash my hair. I'm not doing it today. I gotta go outside tomorrow. I gotta go outside Sunday. Probably Monday. I have stuff to do. I have a busy weekend, like I said. So I have my smoothie already. I didn't have a banana in the smoothie though. Like I said, I don't got no bananas, so I need to go to the store and get some bananas. So the smoothie I had this morning was celery, apple, and strawberries. That's the smoothie I had. Drank it before I left. I feel like bringing it today. I don't have no energy, bro. My energy is not there. I'm like, let me just drink this. I don't feel like traveling with it. Let's drink it today. Trying to burn some of this belly fat I got. This celery thing. I watched SISTAS yesterday. Oh, child. Listen, Gary is a mess. He's trying to buy Andy love because he know damn well what he did was wrong. He was trying to. People keep saying Karen is a bad friend, but I don't think so. Like she's looking out for her friend. So if you're my friend, you were a man that was trying to kill you, I wouldn't care what he do after trying to get you back. Because the hell. And that's their life, but that'd be crazy if you actually think that I'll get back there, because the hell. So he bought her a penthouse. This is what I'm talking about. He's so controlling, so I can't stand him. He bought her a penthouse. He literally move her stuff out of her apartment and into a penthouse. Like, it, I guess when they first met, she told him that she liked surprises, that she wanted to live in a penthouse, and she liked nice things. That's what she told him, whatever. So he remember everything. He remember everything that she told him, but at the same time, that's still controlling. I don't care. Like, bring me to the penthouse. Don't take my shit out. Who said I was ready to leave? Imagine you walking in your apartment and the man that tried to kill you, move your stuff into a penthouse. He definitely trying to buy her love. I would not, no. I would not take it. I don't care. It's a penthouse. I don't. Listen. Well, what's her name? Danny is a mess. Danny is like forgetting everything that men did to her. And the old girl is a penthouse. First year I bought her a Rolls Royce, a blue one. And then she and Karen took it for a little drive, just. And then he had them followed. Like, you're doing too much. He had them followed, and then try to cover it up with with fake cops. This man had them followed. Like, they thought they was scared for their life. They thought it was like, what happened? Because it was like, I think it was like 3 or 4 of them, and it was men. And then they were like, get out of the car, and then they started singing out of nowhere. How does the song go? I'm sorry. Some shit about I'm sorry. Something about I'm sorry and take me back or something. Like, really, nigga. Because no, that's too much. So you bought me a car, and then you have a thing on it. What is that thing called? A tracker on it. That's what I'm saying. Possessive and controlling. Why do you need to know where I'm at 12%? You buy me a car. I mean, well, they're not together, so yeah, they're not together. She broke up with him. So that's the first thing he did. He bought her a car, tried to get her back. A Rolls Royce, and then that didn't work, so he got her the penthouse. But he had this nice picture of her in the penthouse. It was a nice picture. And she said it's a picture of from one of I forget what movie. What movie was that? She said what the movie she said it was. But it was a really nice picture. But still, he doing too much. Not a lot. The penthouse is really nice, but like I said, he know what he's doing. Trying to manipulate her. He's just trying to manipulate her to take him back. I think he's slick. I don't like men like that. You try to kill me? You think you want to do all that? I'm gonna take you back? No. First of all, he would never even get access to me. Once you're trying to kill me, you will never get access to me. What the hell? Tyler Perry be like doing like this is why I love him, because he be making shows based off what women really go through in life, because that shit is crazy. Like, this man literally like was trying to hug her, right? And then he just squeezing her, and she's like what? And then you try to come back to me with buying me a car and a penthouse. Like, get the fuck out of here. Nope, I'm not taking you back. I don't care. I'm not doing it. That's just too much. Nah, I'm good. I'd rather be single. Spend my own money. Like you said, she said she got her own money. She a lawyer, so she a lawyer in the show, so. I'm just not to think of it. She's the one that have the best apartment in the show. She got the best apartment in the show. He did so much. Y'all need to watch SISTAS. He did so much shit to her. This man had like a therapist, right? But he's so called can't get over the fact that she slept with somebody else. Well, he said he can't get it out of his head that she slept with somebody else when you married. Like, you're married. That's the thing too. Like, he's married. So, like, what are you talking about? Not to say I would ever date a married man, but if I was her, I would continue doing me. Like, I'm not giving you all of me. Like, you're not getting all of me. You have a wife at home, sir. I would never date a married man, ever. Like, you have a wife at home, and he started cheating on his wife, and he met her in the supermarket. Well, they didn't show that on the show, but that's how the storyline is. Like they met in the supermarket, but she knew he was married too. So all that what she went through, not saying he's right, what he did, but like she took that upon herself. Okay, you dating a married man, girl. He told her that he was gonna leave the wife for her. That's what every married man said. Oh, I'm gonna leave her, baby. I'm gonna leave her. He ain't going nowhere. Actually, I think they did get a divorce. This show is crazy. Y'all gotta watch it. It's too much to tell. Y'all just have to watch this. It's from the first season till now. It's a very interesting show of what females go through on a daily basis with these men. Tyler Perry be watching out for us, unlike that friggin' Kevin Samuels guy. I can't stand him. Like, I could be over there, what's the word, praising that man. He being very disrespectful to him. Like, just because you had a relationship and he didn't work out, no need for you to be coming for the whole female. Like, what's wrong with this man? I swear, I just be scrolling past every time I see a video of him, because I'm like, he's very disrespectful. Like, I ain't even want to talk on him. He's very disrespectful. I can't stand him. This is just so crazy. Yeah, so Andy got the best apartment in the show. And I think Sabrina, then Karen, then Danny. Danny basically live in a studio, I think. Is it? Yeah, I think Danny live in a studio. Because she work at the airport. Sabrina work at the bank. Karen have her own salon, and Andy is a lawyer. So, yeah, I love it though. The only Tyler Perry show I never watched, I tried to watch it and I just couldn't get through it. Like, maybe I should try watching it again. But The Oval, I never really got into The Oval. And I think another one too. What's it called? It's coming to my head. The one with what's her name? Tasha Smith. I don't remember the name of that show, but I can't get into that one either. But I'm gonna try watch them. Yeah, I never really watched that show. If Loving You Was Wrong, I don't think I ever saw an episode of that show. I never saw that one. But that's my rant on Tyler Perry shows. Tyler Perry shows is lit. Like, but when I'm gonna have a lunch, I ain't gonna lie, I've been craving Chick-fil-A since the other day, but I try to keep my mind off of it, because if I'm buying Chick-fil-A, I have to eat 2 sandwiches. One is not enough, and then that's gonna come up to like $17. You won't get. I'll be ordering a meal, and then I think, was it the number 1? I'll be ordering the meal and not get an extra sandwich. So I think I come up to $17, almost $20. So I'm like, Chick-fil-A is too expensive for me. The last time I ate it, somebody bought it for me. Right? Yeah. I was at work, and I think I did the video. Yeah. Is that the last time I had Chick-fil-A? Yep. Yes, it is. Damn, that's a long time ago. And it's like literally like 2 blocks away from me. It's right down the block. But listen, like raw fish out here. The restaurant. All these city bikes. Okay, so seriously, summertime, I'm riding one of these. I'm gonna get one of these. I'm on break. I is on break. So this one smells like raw sushi. This whole block smells like raw sushi. There's 3 restaurants they have on this block. I'm about to go to Wendy's. Because I'm in the mood for Wendy's. I like your hair.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Her hair looking so nice. I used to get braids like that. Oh, let me see what Five Below got. Should I go in there? I should. Let me go in there real quick. Yeah, welcome. Thank you. Shit, this is why you don't say nothing. Well, it's so rude.
This is so nice. Got a red one. $4. I got this one.
I got the 4 for $4. I should not be eating already, but I'm in the. It's Friday and I'm after for a burger, so I'm gonna eat it. It's good to go. The bacon. Oh gosh. Yeah, I'm gonna eat it. Okay. I'm hungry. I usually get the sweet and sour, but I don't have it. Can't go wrong with a 4 for $4. And then nuggets. You should not be eating this, man. Listen. I'm hungry. That's my excuse. My excuse is it's Friday, I'm hungry, and I feel for a burger. I like this in tomato. I don't even like tomato, but I'm eating. Got bacon. Should tell them no mayonnaise, because that should be breaking in my face. Oh, this drink I have is no sugar. Vanilla Sprite. It's vanilla Sprite, and I mix it with a little bit of lemonade and ginger. I didn't even know they had ginger. You know that? A ginger Sprite. Yeah, I know that. I didn't know they had ginger Sprite. It's so good. So freaking good. Got 8 minutes. Dip it in the It's a junior bacon cheeseburger. It tastes good. Awesome. We, I think, got the best fries. I think Burger King got the best fries. Okay, McDonald's fries taste really good when it's hot. But I like Burger King fries. The Burger King fries is bigger, fluffier, more potato. And Burger King is reasonable than McDonald's, I think. Well, they be having coupons, that's all I know. So, y'all remember the mayo and ketchup mixture that you eat in school? Well, here, not in Jamaica. Otherwise, you eat that with your burger. Add the ketchup to the add the mayonnaise to the ketchup and mix it, and then put it on your burger and eat it with your fries. It's really good. Now they have it in a bottle. I don't buy it. I don't buy the bottle. I still just mix it. Hold on. So I don't eat pork bacon. Turkey bacon is better. I mean, more healthier as well. But once in a while, we eat food to cheat. You have a cheat meal. Have a bacon cheeseburger. Okay. My playlist is acting up right now. This fries is okay. That's why I rather look. Alright. This is my box too. Well, this is a 4 for 4. But that's why I love Burger King fries. Because in the long run, my face is blowing up. If I was supposed to eat this every day, my face would break the hell up. No. I'm gonna finish this. This is in the fries in the back. Oh, I actually want this. Oh, with something that don't have no sugar, it tastes really good. I love that. Alright guys, so I'm going back to work. Thank you guys for watching my videos, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.